Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
I am always ready to dig into something new.
All right, so today we're tackling affiliate marketing, but not just in like a general sense.
Yep.
We've got this really interesting cheat sheet.
I was gonna say blueprint.
Okay, blueprint, sure.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's called the Affiliate Marketing Quick Start Cheat Sheet, and it promises to help you even if you're a complete beginner.
Like starting from zero knowledge.
Yeah, exactly. To build a six-figure income with affiliate marketing.
A six-figure income. Sounds pretty ambitious, right?
Definitely. And, there's a ton of stuff out there about affiliate marketing, but
Oh, yeah, a ton.
what caught my eye with this one was it doesn't require you to have your own product.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. Or a big established brand name or anything like that.
So you're basically leveraging other people's products to make money.
Exactly.
Mm.
Which, that's kind of the whole point of affiliate marketing, right?
Yeah. But a lot of the advice out there focuses on building your own platform first, gaining a huge following, and then, yeah,
Yeah. So this cheat sheet lays everything out in 11 steps.
nice and simple. 11 steps to six figures.
Exactly. And they actually recommend using a free platform called Systeme.io.
Oh, I've heard of that. It's like an all-in-one marketing platform,
Yep.
right?
Landing pages, email marketing, even has its own affiliate program.
So it's kind of perfect for this. You've got everything you need in one place.
Exactly. So, want to run through the 11 steps.
Let's do it.
Okay, so the first 3 steps are pretty straightforward. They're all about setting up your online foundation.
Right. Getting the basics in place.
So first, you connect a domain name.
Which, by the way, you can get super cheap from a site like Namecheap. I think I paid like $10 for mine.
Yeah. And then you set up a professional email address.
Important for building trust and looking legit.
Totally. And then you link your PayPal account so you can actually, get paid.
Right. Gotta have that part figured out.
The cool thing is, the cheat sheet has links and tutorials for every single step.
So even if you're not super tech savvy, you can still follow along easily.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right, step 4 is where you start finding products to promote.
Okay, so this is where the actual affiliate marketing part comes in.
Yep. And they mention a bunch of different affiliate networks you can join.
Like ClickBank. I've definitely heard of that one. It's got like a zillion products you can choose from.
There's also ShareASale, JVZoo, and even Amazon Associates.
Wow, lots of options.
And like we mentioned earlier, Systeme.io has its own affiliate program too.
So you could potentially promote the very platform you're using to build your business. Kind of meta, but cool.
Exactly. Okay, so now you've got your foundation set up, you found some products you want to promote. How do you get people interested?
That's the million-dollar question.
Uh-huh, right. Well, that's where the next few steps come in. Steps 5, 6, and 7 are all about creating and using a lead magnet.
Okay, lead magnet. That sounds kind of...
I know it sounds a little jargony. But basically, it's something valuable that you offer for free in exchange for someone's email address.
Ah, okay. So it's like a bribe to get people on your email list.
Uh-huh. Yeah, kind of. But it has to be something actually valuable.
Yeah.
Like a cheat sheet, a checklist, a mini course, something that helps people with a specific problem they have.
Right, so they're actually getting something useful in return for their email address.
Exactly. And once you have their email address, you can start building a relationship with them.
And then hopefully recommend some products they might be interested in.
Exactly. So step 5 is all about choosing the right lead magnet for your niche.
Got it.
Step 6 is where you actually create the lead magnet, and then step 7 is setting up the landing page on Systeme.io.
A landing page is like a special web page designed to capture those email addresses.
Exactly. It's super focused on getting people to sign up for your lead magnet. And then you can set up an automated email sequence to deliver the lead magnet and start nurturing those leads.
Sounds like a pretty streamlined process.
It is. Systeme.io makes it really easy. Okay, step 8 is a really interesting one. They talk about monetizing not just the main product you're promoting, but also your thank you page and your email sequence.
Whoa, really? You can make money from those too?
Yeah, they recommend using evergreen affiliate offers.
Evergreen.
Products that are always in demand, so you're not just relying on those like flash-in-the-pan product launches.
Makes sense.
Okay, so we've got our foundation, we've got our products, we've got our lead magnet. Now we need to get people to actually see it all.
Traffic. The lifeblood of any online business.
You got it. Steps 9 and 10 are all about traffic.
Okay, let's hear it.
Step 9 focuses on free traffic methods. They talk about something called the Social Profile Profits Learning System.
Interesting. So you can get started without spending any money on ads.
Exactly. And then in step 10, they cover paid traffic strategies like solo ads.
Solo ads are where you basically pay to have your offer promoted to someone else's email list, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so free traffic first, then you can experiment with paid traffic once you're more comfortable.
Makes sense. And finally, step 11.
Drum roll, please. The final step.
It's all about testing and tweaking.
Ah, the never-ending process of optimization.
Uh-huh. Yep. They emphasize that you shouldn't expect to just, like, set everything up and then magically start making six figures.
Right. It's going to take some trial and error, figuring out what works, what doesn't.
And that's actually something I really appreciate about this blueprint. It's realistic.
Totally. And they also point out that the guide provides additional sources for detailed explanations and clarification. So if you get stuck on anything, you can dig a little deeper.
Yep. All right, so we've covered all 11 steps. Quite a journey. But let me ask you this.
Hit me.
If you were going to create a lead magnet, what would it be? What kind of valuable information or resource could you offer to your audience?
Ooh, that's a good question. I'd have to really think about what my ideal audience is struggling with and what kind of solution I could offer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And, that's the beauty of affiliate marketing. You can really tailor it to your own interests and expertise.
Definitely. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passion meets your audience's needs.
So if this blueprint has you feeling inspired, I highly recommend checking out the Affiliate Marketing Quick Start Cheat Sheet.
Sounds like a great resource.
It is. It's totally free, and you can download it by clicking the link in the description below.
Go get it, folks. Start building that dream online income today.
Until next time.
See ya.